Hi, my name is Pat from the Sewing Studio Fabric Superstore, and I'm really excited today to show you how to perfectly place embroidery lettering on a really fun children's fabric like this so that you can customize it to what you want. I've got fabric over here ready and hooped to go, so let's do it. Okay, I've got my lion in my hoop, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to perfectly place my embroidery lettering. I'm going to embroider the word roar over the lion's head in an arc using the camera scanning feature in my embroidery machine. The first thing I'm going to do is select a font, and I'm going to go to page 2, and I'm going to select kind of a childish font, and here's the alphabet. I'm going to select the letter R, and I can see right away that I would like it to be a little bit smaller, so I'm going to select medium, and then I'm going to finish spelling the word roar. And I like that. So once I have my lettering, my word set, go ahead and press set, and I'm going to select the camera icon here. It's going to say press OK, the embroidery frame will move, and start the background capture, and I'm going to say OK to that. So now the camera is scanning, and what it's doing is taking pictures of what's in my hoop, and when it's finished the camera scan, what's in my hoop is going to come up on my screen. And here we go. So now I can take my word roar and position it where I want it. I can also use my arrow keys to position it. So I have options. And now I think that I'm going to go into my array and I'm going to arc it over the lion's head. I'm going to position it perfectly. And you can see that I can see proportion. I like the size of the word. So now I'm going to go ahead and go to embroidery, go to edit end, and go to sewing. And then I'm going to, the machine is telling me to change a thread. I'm going to close that out. It's going to tell me that I need to use the color black, but I'm actually going to reassign because I want to embroider red, and my red is on color number 6. So I'm going to just reassign my color so that I don't have to rethread it. Then I'm just going to unlock and press start. So here's my finished embroidery design. As you can see, the word roar is arced perfectly over the lion. Sam is underneath. I could have kept embroidering more, and I have a project here that I did a lot of embroidery on here. I went into my punctuation marks in the font, and I pulled out a question mark. I have little asterisks that I came up with. I have numbers and plus signs. Hi, I'm happy. So you can go on and on embellishing your fabric how you want. And I have another project here that I finished that I wanted to show you. This was just a red and white star fabric in which I went into my fonts and pulled up a period and multiplied it over and over and place them on the center of the stars. So now you can see how pretty that looks. It started out just as a plain red and white star, and I turned it into a little bag, a pouch, and on the back I have an embroidery, a Disney embroidery. These are just a couple of projects I've done using this feature. Thanks for watching.
Move over here a little bit.
I have to think what I'm teaching now that I've got these creative, beautiful animals, monkeys. Are we filming this?
Yes.
Oh.
Take 3, fabric design.